my channel. So today I created this look using both BOXYCHARM boxes, one for March and one from this month. I didn't do last month's BOXYCHARM box because I didn't have time, so I decided to combine both of the boxes this month, March and April's. So I came up with this look using some of the products for both boxes, and I hope you guys like the look. And also, if you guys are interested in subscribing to the BOXYCHARM box, I will link a link down below. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. And also, do not forget to follow me on my social media. And therefore, if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. I already did my face off camera and my eyebrows because I wanted to jump straight into the video because I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be reviewing both BOXYCHARM boxes for March and April because I didn't do last month, so I'm just gonna combine them together. So I'm going to start with April's first. So for April's box, it came in with this Luxie Summer Days brush set, and it also came with this Butter London Power Up mascara, and it came in with this Starlux Longwear eye pencil. It came with an Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder called Festival, and it has a bunch of cute chrome colors. They're pressed pigments. So let me show you how that looks like. So this is how they look like. And it also came in with the Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. So now let me get into March BOXYCHARM. Last month it came with the Moda Powder Soft Glow brushes. It came with the Wonder Beauty Light Off Peel Off Mask. It came with this Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow and this Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Last but not least, it came also with the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. It looks like this. So I'm going to be taking the PUR Cosmetics Festival Palette that came in this month's box. I'm also going to be taking the Luxie brushes that came in this month's box. And I'm going to be taking the 209 brush, which is a large shader. And I'm going to go in with Free Spirit and apply that as my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm going to be taking Epic. Next, I'm going to be taking Hidden Desert. Next, I'm going to be taking All Night. Next, I'm just going to clean up this area with some concealer from when I apply the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking the 245 small shader brush from the brushes that came in April's month's box. And I'm going to be taking Sunset and just applying that only to the outer side of the eye. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade right here, and honestly, I do not know how to say the name, and I'm not gonna try because I don't really know how to say it. And I'm just gonna take that shade next. I'm going to be taking Fireworks, and I'm just going to be applying where I applied the other shade, Sunset. And then I'm gonna go in with 24 Karat Magic. And then applying this one where I applied the other shade. Next, I'm going to be taking All Night again and apply that to the bottom lash line. I'm taking the shade Gypsy and applying that to the bottom lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be taking Free Spirit and applying that to the inner corner highlight. And I'm going to be applying the Power Up mascara. And I'm just going to be applying my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to take the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. This one came in March's box, and I'm going to be taking the 512 contouring brush that came in April's box. And I'm going to take the shade Contour. Next, I'll be taking blush. I'm going to be taking the other brushes that came in March's box. I'm going to be taking the powder brush to brush off powder. And I'm going to be going in with highlighter for highlight. You know what? I feel so dumb. I just noticed that in the back it has the name, so I'm using the highlighter Divine. To set everything, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro powder. For the lips, I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics lipstick that came in last month's box, and it's, I believe, the shade Monaco. This is a final look for you guys. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.